Shut up, man. Oh, man. Oh, God, I'm going to get a heart attack. That's all I can learn,
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate you guys giving me a little of your time here, man. This OG triple, man. Listen, I'm going to show you guys, the basics on changing a fuel pump assembly on a 2000 Cargovan 2500 Chevy with a 5.7 Vortec engine. Okay. As you can see, we got the gas tank already out. Okay, let me give you a quick rundown on that. And what that is consists of is you got a scrap here, you have a scrap up here, you have a scrap right there, you got the two scraps, and then you got your evap box, which is located right here. And you have to take the evap lines loose, and most of them got the quick connect ends on them, guys. So it's more of a plug and play type of thing. But you still got to know what you're doing, because you can break those things off real easy if you don't know how to take them off. Okay, right here you have the evap line. You has the big evap line, which is still underneath the vehicle. Okay. So this goes to the fuel part of the vehicle, right up in the vehicle, and the evap lines will go. They already still up under the truck. One will plug here, the big one will plug here into your canister. This is called an evap canister. Okay, this is your main plug here that runs everything back here, right here. Okay, and on these particular setups, you have, we like to call them go to hell snap rings. It's a little art to it on how to get it on and off correctly without tearing up something. Let's see what you got.
I got it on one side. I ain't got this side.
You have to, they got two ends on them. The end's gonna come right in between here. You can't put it but one way, guys. You can't mess it up. Keep pressure on it. Down like that. Get it started. Get it started. You ain't down. Wait a minute. Bring your hand for a minute. No, you're not down right here. You're still up somewhere. Put your pressure right there. Listen. Okay, there you go. Let me get this one right here.
This side down.
No, this side you can't get down.
That's what I'm saying.
Let's take a look at it. That old big thick rubber. Here. Take that one out.
That's the old one.
Is it? Yeah. Let me have a new one there. Somebody put one in there?
Yes, man. They're ready to try to use those.
No, I'll be ready in about, give me about 30 minutes.
Oh, okay. Sure, I'm about to go get some food then.
Yeah, go get some food and somebody to follow you back home or whatever.
Oh, okay. All right.
Press down, Mr. Charles. Right here. Damn.
How much I owe you?
60.
All right.
Yeah. All right, let go. Let go. Let go. Okay, guys. These snap rings right here, man, they can be a pain to get in there. Go get me some grease. My other thing, a little small trick, because if you don't get it sealed in there right, you'll still have some problems with the vehicle starting because it won't be holding enough pressure. So my next step is to take and put. My next step will be to put grease around the seal there. You know, yeah, put your daggone. Yeah, it ain't got to go in the gas. Just make sure it don't get down in the tank. Yeah, lubricate that thing because you need that bad boy to slide. Okay, and then let's try it again. Put your pickup in first. Turn it around. It goes one way. It's a notch here and a notch there. Look at that. That's beautiful. See with that grease, that thing goes down. And my man, he knows better than that. He done been doing this stuff, and I done showed him just about everything over the last 10 years he's been with me. And for him not to even consider the grease is beyond me. Man, see that? Look at that. Just like that. Okay. Can y'all see that? Let's get there right there. Y'all can see that, right? Let's hope so. The ring here, that snap ring. See your snap ring pliers? Got two little holes here. You put some grease around there, a nice little bit of your same packing grease. Right here, I use that multi-purpose. And once you get the grease on there, it'll sit down there like it's supposed to, man. So that is how you put the fuel pump in a 2000 2500 Chevy with a 5.7 engine in it. It's an old big work van. Belongs to a customer that does a lot of Amazon and packaging deliveries in it. And to be honest with you, the fuel pump they took out of here, somebody put one in there. We may have something else going on. That don't look that bad at all. Okay, guys, if y'all find this helpful, please subscribe to the channel because I need you guys. Hit that like button and share it to a friend. Right now, we get ready to go back up with this big boy, okay? Two scraps. One here, one there where the grease is. Hooking up all your lines, your two lines. Right here, your other lines down on the back side. And that'll normally get it done. No, you all right. And another little small thing he was just showing me. Did you look at this pigtail? Because they like to send one in the box. I look at it and make sure it ain't being burnt. If it ain't got no burnt spots or all burnt up or anything like that, it's still good. You know, because the pump, like I said, it just came out of here. It didn't look that bad. All right, guys. Till next time.